Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues on your earbuds Libratone TRACK Air Plus. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and now click on the one of the earbuds here. Here we go. If it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset, so put it to the charging case, close the case, after that open it and remove headphones from the charging case. And right here we also have connected. But if this method didn't help you also, we should remove and add these headphones. So put it to the charging case and close the case. Now we should remove both of the headphones. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget, and the second one the same, forget and forget. Don't forget to click pair new device after that on your Android. And now, open the charging case and press and hold this connection button for at least 2 seconds. Here we go, now click on it. And now it should ask for the second one. So click pair again. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. So put it to the charging case and now press make double press and then press and hold. 1, 2 and press and hold. 1, and it make hard reset. Now we should remove it. And the second one also. Don't forget to click pair new device on your Android and now press and hold multifunctional button to enter pairing mode. Click on it. And now we should click pair for the second one also. Here we go. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!